Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, we will cover the new feature rolled out by the AWS team, which is the very interesting feature. As you can see, I will definitely share this link in the description box where you can go visit and just read about it. AWS Managed Console now supports assigning a color to an AWS account for easier identification. So, what is the meaning of this, and what is the purpose behind this rolling out the color coding feature? Okay, so let's say any enterprise organization or any organization or projects where you are handling multiple AWS accounts, multiple environments, or multiple projects, vertical, something like that, business units. So in that case, how you can easily identify. So there are a couple of situations where manual mistakes can happen. Let's say we want to do some changes in the dev account or test account, but by mistakenly, since we are logging through the SSO page, single sign-on, and we can, as a human mistakes, maybe you can consider we can log into the wrong account and we do the modification there. So then we will realize, oh my God, we just done the changes with the wrong AWS accounts. So to avoid this kind of situations, AWS roll out this feature color coding where you can define the environment based color coding. Let's say I will show you some chat GPT response where you can see multiple problem accounts. Many companies use different AWS accounts as I just explained. Dev test production and other accounts. Okay, sometimes it's very confusing to know which accounts or you are working. Okay, so definitely we need to check the account ID and then resource, then we will realize. But as a quick things, let's say if you use this new feature color coding, let's say for the development environment you can use green color, for testing or any QA environment, non-production, you can use yellow color coding, and for the production you can use the red colors. Okay, so you can easily identify on which account or environment you are working or doing the changes. Okay, so now coming to the modification, how you can do these changes, right? You can see as of now I have set the red color. So let me give you that modification. Log into your Once you log into your account, just click on your name or account name here, and just visit account section. Okay, in this you will get this option to change based on the environment. Let's say for example you can consider this account as a dev account, dev environment. So in that case, as a best practice, we can select the green color. So you can see the option account display setting, new feature, click on edit, and you can do the modification here, select green color and update. So you can see color code has been changed. Okay, if it's test account or non-production, then select the yellow color and just update it. Okay, so same thing you can change for the production as well, like a red color, and just update it. So your So when you are doing some changes or activity, you can easily identify based on the color. So you are working in the dev environment, test environment, or production environment. So it's basically avoid any deletion or any other resource modification activities based on the color code. Okay, we can visualize easily. So that is the about the details for the new feature rolled out by the AWS team. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, then just share with your friend circle, or you can, if you are already working in some project, you can suggest to your team lead to can we have this kind of modification, so to avoid any future termination of the resources on the wrong account, right? So you can save yourself and the business as well.